Hey everyone, here before me I have two types of turmeric supplements. One is a popular liquid turmeric and the other is a powder in pill form. But before I get into the details about turmeric, first let's talk about problem and solution. So in America today and around the world we have diseases, many of which are leading causes of death in the world, such as cancer, heart disease, kidney disease, brain tumors, and the list goes on. And most, if not all of you, in some way or another, or most, if not all of these, in some way have been linked to chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, which many of you have most likely already faced some of these problems, currently do or know someone who is experiencing them. So what is the solution? To understand the solution, we first need to know a little bit about the background. The turmeric is technically a spice that has long been used for medicinal purposes. It was studied thoroughly in the scientific community as well in the culinary realm for cooking or as a food additive for color. So what is the magic ingredient inside of turmeric? The answer is curcumin. Many of you may have heard of curcumin, but not linked the two together. I know that's how it was for me at first. Or probably many of you haven't realized that curcumin is the most researched and well-recognized ingredient found inside of turmeric, because I didn't know that at first. Curcumin is one of many beneficial polyphenols shown to be active on the cellular level and interact with many signaling molecules that help the body to support like an overall whole host of benefits to the body. Curcumin found in turmeric executes its beneficial effects via two mechanisms, those being its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The benefits of turmeric go as, I'll list them out for you. Basically, the benefits of turmeric: one, it helps regulate inflammation within the body. Second, it can help improve biomarkers of oxidative stress within the body. It helps with pain management, metabolic syndrome, can help with degenerative eye conditions, help protect the kidneys. It can also help promote good gut bacteria. Specifically, I'd like to highlight the effect of curcumin found in turmeric. The curcumin found in turmeric has shown in numerous studies to promote gut microbiota diversity. Basically, your good gut bacteria. The more diverse, the better. One study showed a gut bacteria increase of 7% after 8 weeks of supplementation, whereas the placebo group showed a 15% decrease in gut bacteria diversity. And just in case you haven't heard, typically the science shows people with a more diverse gut bacteria or microbiome tend to have a stronger immune system, thus they get sick much less. And after all, it has been said, just about 70% or more of our immune system has now been shown to be, yep, you guessed it, inside our gut. So, do your body a favor, start supplementing with turmeric today so you can get the necessary curcumin from the turmeric to help your body. It just may help you with better gut health and therefore help improve the quality of your life. Liquid turmeric is good, but it is messy. All right, that's why Team Keto decided to make a turmeric in capsule form so it's easy to swallow and also increases absorption with the added bio-pairing. So it's up to you, but give it a shot today. We have a 100% money back guarantee. You literally have nothing to lose except for those bad gut bacteria, all the aches, pains, and possibly even migraines. So if this sounds something like you might want to try, or if you want these added benefits in your life, then simply go to teamketo.com or click in the link in this post to get yours now.